So I've taken a bath and stuff, and my voice is like not functioning. I need chai. So I'm just gonna go and get some breakfast, and then we'll go together for postings. Hi Chaitali. Hey, let's go. I'm already very late, and the construction noise comes again. Breakfast is done, and I'm going for the postings. Here is my logbook, and yes, I am very late. I think in every video I said this, that like I'm running late. I'm very late. I'm always late.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so this is our hospital. As third year physiotherapy medical students, we have to go for postings every day for at least 2 hours so that we can learn about the conditions more and practically. Every week these postings change. Like I am posted in the surgical general ward right now, and next week I might be in the physiotherapy OPD or gynec ward or radiology section and so on. So, there we study patients' files first and then discuss with each other about the condition, and then we also talk to the patients and take their history so that our communication skills will improve and we gain some confidence to talk to the patient. After that, I also went to the radiology section in our hospital itself because my classmate told me that there was a case of PIVD, that is prolapsed intervertebral disc, and I have heard about this condition so many times in the hospital, and there are a lot of patients who come for physiotherapy for this condition itself. So I wanted to see how it looks in the MRI, so we did that.
So I'm done with my postings, and now I'm going for lunch. So let's see what is in the lunch today. The sun is literally torturing us. I mean, okay, so I am back in my hostel room. So let's just quickly do a life update kind of a thing. So the main motto to start this vlog was that I am officially in the third year now, and I have successfully passed my second year with 70 percentage, and that makes me so happy.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
So that's the thing. One more thing that I want to share with you all is that I might just get a chance to observe a surgery today, and it's going to be a knee replacement surgery, and I am so excited to observe and watch this surgery because I am a big fan of Grey's Anatomy, and I watch that series, and I feel like I want to be a surgeon, but no, I can't. So no, but I love my profession, whatever I chose for myself, but it's just a very interesting thing to see, and yeah, I'm very excited, and let's see if this happens or not.
So we went back to the college to attend the lecture. So the first lecture was for medicine 1 and it was taken by Dr. Dagde sir. And then after that we also attended a class for surgery 2 which was taken by Dr. Mariam ma'am. And yeah, after that the third lecture, which was the last lecture, was cancelled today. So we chilled in the class for some time and then went back to the hostel.
फोन खेळायला येते क्लासरूम मध्ये. So in the third year we have the subjects which are mostly related to medicine, and that's because in the fourth year we learn about the physiotherapy management. So the first subject in the third year is surgery 1, in which there is cardiorespiratory and general surgery. Then there is surgery 2, in which there is orthopedics. Then medicine 1, which includes cardiorespiratory and general medicine, and medicine 2 we have neurology and pediatrics. So these are the medicine subjects. We also have community medicine and sociology, then gynecology, dermatology, and FDPS. FDPS is physiotherapy related subject, which means functional diagnosis and physiotherapeutic skills. So those are all the subjects that we have, and yeah, I think third year is going to be pretty interesting and difficult as well for me, I think. So let's just see how this goes. And hi guys, so checking in after 2 to 3 days because the surgery that I was talking about previously was postponed today. So I was just waiting for the call that we can watch the surgery, and we have got the permission. And guess what? I just got a call from our superior that we can go and observe the surgery, and I am really excited because I have been waiting for this so long. And yeah, I'm just gonna get ready, and then I'll see you guys. I don't really have any scrubs, but I'm just gonna borrow it from my classmate. And yeah, and also if you are wondering how I changed my background like this, I mean, previously there was just a blank wall, and now there is this pretty looking background which I made.
भाई साहब कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
So yeah, if you want to see how I turned this around, then you should watch this video. I'll put this in the description box and on the I button as well. But first watch this video and then go. Okay, bye, I'm getting late.
So I went to the hospital and we were told to wait for quite a long time until the surgeon and anesthesiologist shows up. I wasn't nervous or anything because I was just excited and thrilled. So yeah, I quickly put it on my mask and everything, and then we again waited outside the OT for the patient to come upstairs and get prepared. And yeah, finally all the things began.
Okay, so hi guys, I am back from the hospital, and it was the best experience that I had until now in this college, because I was just amazed like how far we have came in this field, that we can just replace the items which are damaged. I mean, this was knee replacement surgery, and the patient's knee was like pretty damaged because she had arthritis. And I was just, I don't know how to put this, but I'm just speechless, I guess. There are some complications after the surgery, but still we can go on with our lives, and that's the important thing, I feel. I didn't feel gross or anything. Some of my classmates did felt that it was gross and they felt like throwing up, but that wasn't the case with me because I was just so focused and excited about this thing. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some insights on how, as a physiotherapy medical student, I spent my day in the college and in the hospital as well. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.